the popular cool thing to do right now is to praise AMD and dunk on Intel.
You know, there's one thing I've learned is that a surefire way to get a lot of likes and comments and thumbs up and just favoritism when it comes to videos is to say something positive about AMD. One thing that we definitely observed during our reacting to subscriber builds, which we're gonna do more of that in the future.
So please make sure you subscribe to that and follow me on Twitter, because that's where we will grab the information from you guys to use in the videos.
The amount of AMD systems out there is super prevalent. I even commented by like the third video, I'm like, does anyone run Intel anymore? Because I'm not seeing any Intel systems. I don't think we had like about 1 or 2 10th gen systems, to be honest.
It's very clear from the revenue growth and steady profits over at Team Blue that the business folks are in charge and doing a very good job of delivering maximum shareholder value, or whatever it is that they do. But it's also clear that this strategy wasn't one that rewarded delivering exciting products to enthusiasts and gamers. Intel, if you guys had asked anyone in the enthusiast community, or heck, even those of us in the tech press, whether this was a good idea, we would have happily turned you around 180 degrees and steered you in the right direction. The whole situation honestly smacks of an executive coming along and realigning a feature set to artificially create value in one product by killing it in another. The more enthusiasts that you piss off, the more likely they're gonna recommend a competing product to family and friends, eroding mindshare in a way that no marketing campaign can repair.
AMD makes the 4800U?
Yes.
Why is Intel talking about it so much? So apparently AMD makes the 4800U, but that didn't stop Intel from talking about it a whole lot today in its presentation.
We are really the best across industry benchmarks.
There we go. That sounds like Intel. Intel coming out with an actually competitive CPU, if only we knew the name of it. Intel, as far as we could count, only actually fully named one of its new CPUs once. We even made a chart. The numbers that they're putting up do look compelling, but ultimately, Intel is presenting its information in a way which makes the company look inept at best, or sleazy, maybe, at worst.
Intel's geriatric 14 nanometer process with however many pluses we're adding to the end of it by now.
Now with Intel, we are on 14++. I think they've officially given it 2 pluses, but we all know it's like 62 pluses with a to the power sign.
You're gonna hear a lot of AMD, AMD, AMD. Can I say? They're rocking it right now.
But when it comes to being like Mario of Mario Kart, where you are the most rounded player on the course, you're not the fastest, you don't turn the best, you don't jump the highest, but you can do all of it really, really, really good, that is what AMD is today.
I'm not saying the upcoming 10th gen consumer chips are bad, or that they're gonna fail prematurely. Not by a long shot. I've still got that trust. I'm just saying, please tread carefully, guys, because the better long-term play may be to just take it on the chin for a couple years, learn from it, especially you executives. More R&D to enthusiast stuff, please. There's not a lot of us, but we're really noisy. And then come back with your performance leadership and your reliability intact.